Hi, in front of me is REALME X2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation on this device. Firstly, open Tab menu. Now click on Auto Rotate icon. Auto rotation is now turned off. You can turn it on by clicking on the same icon. But you can also go into Settings, scroll down, click on Display and Brightness, scroll down again and tap on the switcher next to Auto Rotate to enable or disable it. If you want to check out if it works, you can go into any app, for example Gallery, and turn your phone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!